My name is Pomerantz, and I'm a PhD candidate here at UC Berkeley in the Integrative Biology Department. The lab in a backpack is an idea that has sort of been developing over time. A few years ago, before I was a PhD student here, I got really interested in how tools are becoming more portable and lower in cost. I think this opens up a lot of possibilities. We can take them into the field, outdoors, botanical gardens, and we can start to do all sorts of cool experiments that we could never do before. So in particular, we can go out and try and identify what certain species are. We can go out and try and screen for disease-causing agents. And maybe we can also use these for science education tools. It's sort of a new way of thinking. You know, what if we can take science and take it out of the laboratory and open it up to anybody? People in remote parts of the world, students in a classroom, just the ability to take these tools and go out and make discoveries of your own. So my main project during this lab in a backpack this last semester was to develop and produce a hand-powered centrifuge. The centrifuge process, I designed it using Fusion CAD. And then it's most of the components are just from a 3D printer. So as you can see here, it's got these tubes, these 4 tubes, where you could put your sample in. And then the idea here is really just to spin it very, very fast. So what this will do is it will have your sample pass through this filter here. It'll collect just the DNA, and everything else, like all the other crud in your sample, like proteins and extra amino acids and stuff, all of that gets filtered out until you have pure DNA. And there you go. That would be the idea with a hand-powered centrifuge. So my next steps for Lab in a Backpack are to try and think of some new tools to incorporate into this. You know, I think there's a really cool movement towards what you might consider frugal science, to come up with tools that are low cost and that anybody can use. But there's still many more tools, in my opinion, that could be better developed.